girls, it's Miss Yozon. Welcome to our next Model Math Monday. Go ahead and open your Model Math Monday books to our next page. And we're just going to review our problem-solving strategy. Remember that we need to first understand the problem, so we read it, we think about it and visualize it, and then we write our solution statement in our own words. Next, we choose our plan. And when you do Model Math, just remember, it's a draw a picture strategy. So we'll take it step by step, piece by piece. Good. And then we'll do the work. We'll solve our answer using our plan, and then we can check and make sure it's reasonable and that it makes sense. So go ahead and open up to number 3. I'm just going to zoom in. Okay. All right, looking at problem 3, I'm going to read it. As Ms. Yozon reads it, I want you to visualize it in your head and ask yourself, what's the action? What's happening in this problem? So it says, Sarah has a total of 96 DVDs in her household. Some were scratched or damaged, and she decided to throw them out. So it looks like she threw them out. That's an action. I'm just going to underline that verb, throw. She threw them out. If she keeps 75 DVDs, how many were scratched or damaged? So she's keeping 75. She started with 96. So we know that she started with 96. She threw some away. So is she adding them or taking them away?
Taking them away. Taking them away.
Good. So should we add or should we subtract?
Subtract.
Very good. We're going to subtract. So let's start with the solution statement. It says if she kept 75 DVDs, how many were scratched or damaged? A good solution statement might be blank DVDs were scratched or damaged. Remember, your solution statement must be a complete sentence, and it simply answers your question. Blank DVDs were scratched or damaged. Once you have your solution statement, it says how many were scratched or damaged, blank were scratched or damaged, then we can check. Okay, now we're going to take it step by step,
Piece by piece.
If you see a comma, if you see a period, if you see the word and, you need to
Stop.
Okay, so let's start at the beginning. Sarah has a total of 96 DVDs in her household. Well, I just want to represent Sarah's 96 DVDs. Okay, so we see that she has 96 DVDs in her household, and I want to represent 96 DVDs. So I'm just going to put maybe T for total, and I'm going to have my bar represent the whole 96 DVDs. So 96 total DVDs, 96 DVDs, check. Now, some were scratched or damaged. Okay, so these, we don't know what they are, but these were scratched or damaged. And we don't know the total, do we? But we know there's some. And then, so she decided to throw them out. Okay, so we have those. Now, if she keeps 75, so it looks like this part's going to represent the 75 DVDs that she keeps. We want to know how many were scratched or damaged. So it looks like we need to compare. We're comparing our whole, which is 96, and we're taking away our 75, and that should give us our scratched or damaged. All right, so let's subtract. 6 minus 5?
6 minus 5. 1.
1. 9 tens minus 7 tens?
2.
2 tens. So it looks like 21 were thrown out. They were scratched or damaged. So she had 21 DVDs that were scratched or damaged. Well, nice job today. I want you to turn and talk to your partner. Why is this solution reasonable? Does 21 fit in our part whole? And then maybe talk about how would you solve this problem a different way. Great job today. Good luck on the next one on your own.